Sometimes we have clients that come to see us and we sit down to try to analyze the situation to see who the responsible driver is for causing a particular injury. And sometimes I have to turn to my client and say, well, in my opinion, the person who is legally responsible for causing this injury was your spouse who happened to be driving the car, or your sibling, or your child, or your parent. This makes eyebrows go up. And so let me address that briefly. One question that people ask, they say, well, if I make a claim against this family member, will it make my rates go up? And of course, I can't speak for an insurance company, but it is my experience that if an accident takes place and a claim is made for property damage, or actually even from the other car, sometimes there's two cars and your spouse might be driving one car, people injured in the other car. When the insurance company finds out about the claim, in my experience, for them, it's generally a business decision. They're going to rate that driver. If it's your spouse, the company is going to rate that driver as presenting a certain risk profile for the company and charge them an appropriate premium. And if they judge that person to be a risky driver, the premium will go up. In my experience, it won't matter whether or not the passenger / spouse makes the claim or not, because this is a business decision for the insurance company. The rate won't go up, in my experience, simply because the rate they won't fail to put up the rate if the spouse doesn't make the claim. In other words, if you withhold the claim, there's really no benefit for the spouse because it's a business decision for the insurance company. They're looking at this in terms of their own risks, and quite frankly, one claim more or less for a big insurance company doesn't make a lot of difference to their bottom line. When people have situations like this, I can't tell them to sue or not sue their spouse. This is a personal decision, but in my opinion, again, not being able to speak for an insurance company, but having many years' experience in this industry, it seems to me that whether the spouse makes a claim against the other spouse has nothing to do with whether or not those rates will go up.